10th graders, let's continue with our chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, now these sums, that is example 4, we'll just read it. Show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. So for this type of sums, what do we do is, you will have to, with distance formula, you have to find the side, the distance of the, or the length of the sides and the diagonals, and then compare. Okay, once you compare the lengths of the sides and the diagonals, that will help you to find out which type of quadrilateral it is, or to prove the particular quadrilateral that they have asked. Okay, so in this case, let me see, I'll do comparative one over here. I will do square and rhombus, and then we will conclude as to what to do. Okay. So see, just to summarize it for you all. Okay. Now I'm not going to name it. Okay, but I'm just going to show you all through the figure. Okay, by the looks of it only we understand that figure A is a square and figure B is a rhombus. Okay, in case of a square, okay, in this case specifically, if you want to prove that a particular quadrilateral is a square, then all four sides will be equal and the diagonals will also be have to be equal, not to the sides. So means the sides of the square will be equal to each other and the diagonals will be equal to each other. Similarly, now in contrast, for a rhombus, all four sides will be equal. So that is similar to a square. So how to distinguish whether it's a rhombus? The diagonals of a rhombus will not be equal. Okay, they just intersect each other at 90 degrees, but that we'll use it further. But as of now, you will say diagonals will not be equal, only sides will be equal. So now let us, the 4 points are given. Okay, let's just start with the sum to prove that they are vertices of a square. So in order to prove the vertices of a square, okay, we will have to prove that all four sides are equal and the diagonals are equal to each other. Okay, so let's start. So this is example 4. Okay, if you don't want me to do the example sums or explain the example sums, you will need to tell me. Okay. So, let A, B, C and D. Let A be what? A 1, 7, B 4, 2, C minus 1, minus 1 and T minus 4, 4 be the vertices, of a square. Okay. Now we'll find the distance of all the four sides and see what happens. Okay. For distance A, B, A is 1, 7 and B is 4, 2. Just cross check 1, 7, 4, 2. Here x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to 7 and x2 is equals to 4, y2 is equals to 2. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, I'm just trying different pens so distance A, B, by distance formula, I'm directly going to apply it. Okay, x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 4 minus 1 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 7 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 7 is minus 5 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to 3 3s are under root 9 plus 25. Therefore, distance A comma B is equals to 25 plus 9. Okay, that is for your 1 carry 34. Okay, that is under root 34 units. Such odd numbers comes, do not stop doing it. As I told you have to continue doing your sums. Okay, next. Now we finished AB, BC, DC, AD. You have to find all. Okay. Okay. For distance BC, B is given to us as 4,2 and C is given to us as minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, therefore here x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 is 4, y1 is 2 and x2 is minus 1, y2 is minus 1. ठीक है, so therefore distance B comma C is equals to under root x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 the whole square, minus 1 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, therefore that is equals to under root. Okay, what do we get? Minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square. Again the same thing. Minus 5 is nothing but 25 plus 9. That is nothing but distance B comma C is equals to under root 34 units. You already can see that these two are becoming equal. Okay, so we will move on further. Now AB, BC, DC and AD. Okay, so for AD distance A comma D, A is given as 1 comma 7. See, why am I writing this? That I will explain later. And okay, AB, BC. Okay, we have to do DC, but I am doing AD. Okay, first I will do AD and then I will take DC. AD. Okay. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is 1, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 4, y2 is 4. Therefore, distance A comma D is equals to under root x2 minus x1, that is minus 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 the plus minus sign of the greater number. Therefore, that is equals to under root 25 plus 9. Again the same thing. Therefore, distance A comma D is equals to under root 34 units. Okay. Now let's go ahead for the last one. मतलब for the last side, distance D comma C. Okay, D is minus 4 comma 4 and C is given by minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, therefore here x1 is equals to minus 4, y1 is equals to 4, and x2 is equals to minus 1, y2 is equals to minus 1. Okay, so here therefore distance d comma c, direct application of distance formula under root x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 the whole square, plus I2 minus c, minus 1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4 the whole square, and this is minus 1 minus 4 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to minus plus is minus sign of the greater number, plus minus minus is plus sign of the greater number. Okay, so therefore that is equals to under root 3 3s are 9, plus minus 7 into minus 5 is plus 25. Therefore distance d comma c is equals to under root 34 units. Okay, so we have to, now you can keep it as it is, okay, or you can say also for sides distance a comma b is equals to distance b comma c is equals to distance a comma d is equals to distance d comma c, or AB is equals to BC is equals to AD is equals to DC. All sides of the quadrilateral are equal. Therefore now for diagonals we get, so this is your second step, this is your first step, okay, for the sides of a triangle. Now we'll go for the diagonals. Let's see what we'll do for the diagonals. Okay, so what do we do for the diagonals? Now diagonal will be diagonal AC and BD. Okay, if you want you can draw this figure here. So we will have AC. A is 1 comma 7, C is minus 1 comma minus 1. So we will write there for distance A comma C, that is A is 1 comma 7 and C is minus 1 comma minus 1. I'm sorry if you cannot, I'm not audible for AC. Here x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 is 1, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 1, y2 is minus 1. Therefore distance A comma C is equals to, okay, see kids, I have not written by distance formula, but please try to write it. Okay, the videos are becoming very long and I'm not able to do all the sums, so that's why please try. So here x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so minus 1 minus of minus 1 the whole square. Okay, let me see, A is correct, 1 and minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so x2 is x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus minus of minus 1 the whole square, plus minus 1 minus 7 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to minus 2 the whole square plus minus 8 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 2 2s are minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus 8 into minus 8 is minus plus 64. Therefore that is equals to distance A comma C is equals to under root 68 units. Similarly, for now we finished A comma C, we'll do BD. Okay, so for distance B comma D, that is the other diagonal. B is given as 4 comma 2 and BD, and D is given as minus 4 comma 4. Okay, here x1 y1, x1 is 4, y1 is 2 and x2 is minus 4, y2 is 4. Okay, so distance B comma D is equals to under root x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, minus, okay, x2 minus x1 minus 4 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to under root minus 8 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 is 2 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 64 plus 4. Therefore distance B comma D is equals to under root 68 units. Now by this also we come to know that distance AC, therefore distance AC is equals to distance B comma D, that is AC is equals to BD. Therefore all sides are equal and both the diagonals are equal. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a square and A comma B comma C and D are its vertices, or you can say A 1 comma 7, B 4 comma 2, C minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 and D minus 4 comma 4 are the vertices of a square. Okay, so let's continue with the sixth sum. As I said, it is a similar sum. Show that the sixth sum, okay, from the exercise, show that ABCD are the vertices of a rhombus. So let's start directly with for distance A comma B. You can say let A B C D B. Okay, here already they have given, so we don't have to say. Okay, so for AB directly, A is minus 4 minus 7 and B is minus 1 comma 2. Here x1 is equals to minus 4, y1 is equals to minus 7 and x2 is equals to minus 1, y2 is equals to 2. Therefore by distance formula, distance A comma B, please write it, okay, and then by distance formula say and all that. So x2 minus x1 minus 1, minus of minus 4 is plus 4 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus is plus 7 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to minus plus minus sign of the greater number plus. Plus and plus is plus sign of the greater number. Therefore, that is equals to under root 9 plus 81. Therefore, distance A comma B is equals to under root 90 units. Okay, let's go faster. Let's do distance BC for distance B comma C. That is equals to, for distance BC is equals to, B is minus 1 comma 2 and C is given as 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. Therefore, distance B comma C is equals to under root x2 minus x1, 8 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2 the whole square is direct. Therefore, that is equals to 8 plus 1 is 9 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 is 3 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to under root 81 plus 9. Therefore, that is equals to under root 90 units. Therefore, distance B comma C is equals to under root 90 units. Okay, let's try for the third side. So AB BC. Okay, AB BC is the fourth side is supposed to be CD. Okay, for distance DC of CD, C is 8 comma 5 and D is 5 comma minus 4. Therefore, x1 is equals to 8, y1 is equals to 5, x2 is equals to 5, y2 is equals to minus 4. Okay, so therefore distance C comma D by distance formula is equals to under root x2 minus x1, 5 minus 8 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 5 the whole square. So you can see that everything is coming to be minus under root 90. Okay, so it's already flowing into the fact that it is a rhombus where all sides are equal. That is 5 minus 8 is 3 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 the whole square. That is nothing but under root 9 plus 81. That is under root 90 units. So distance C comma D is also equals to under root 90 units. Now AB, BC, CD and now AD, the fourth side. Therefore, for distance, I think AD only, yes, it will be AD, A comma D. Okay, what is the value we will see for A? A is minus 4 minus 7, A is minus 4 minus 7 and D is 5 comma minus 4. Therefore, here x1 is equals to minus 4, y1 is equals to minus 7 and x2 is equals to 5, y2 is equals to minus 4. Therefore, distance A comma D by distance formula is equals to under root x2 minus x1, x2 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus of minus 7 is plus 7 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to under root 5 plus 4 is 9 the whole square plus minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3 the whole square. Therefore, distance A comma D is equals to under root 81 plus 9. Therefore, the distance A comma D is equals to under root 90 units. that is distance A comma B is equals to distance P comma C is equals to distance C comma D is equals to distance AD is equals to under root 90. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. That is all sides are equal. Now for diagonals, what are the diagonals? Diagonals AC and BD. Okay, diagonals AC and BD. Chalo. So let's start for that. You can write for sides. For A comma C, distance AC. A is given as -4 comma -7 and C is 8 comma 5. So let's do distance x1 is equals to -4, y1 is equals to -7, x2 is equals to 8, y2 is equals to 5. Therefore distance A comma C is equals to under root x2 minus x1, 8 minus of -4 is 8 plus 4 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 again, 5 plus 4 5 plus 7 the whole square. That is equals to under root 12 the whole square plus 12 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 144 plus 144. That is equals to 12 root 2 units. Okay, distance A comma C. Now we'll do here only, we'll do BD also. Okay, I think we have place for it. For distance B comma D. Okay, B is given as that is B is -1 comma 2 and D is given as 5 comma -4. You have to just show that they are not equal, then we are done. We show that distance B comma D is equals to under root x2 minus x1. x2 minus of -1 is +1 plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore that is equal to 6 the whole square plus -8 the whole square. Therefore distance B comma D is equals to, okay, distance B comma D is equal to 6 6 36 plus 64. Therefore that is equals to under root 100. Therefore distance B comma D is equals to 10 units. That is AC is not equal to BD. Therefore A -4 comma -7, B -1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5 and D 5 comma -4 are the vertices of a rhombus. Okay, so this you can do like that. Apart from this, now you can solve for you can try problem set 5, the 15th sum. Also practice set 5.1, okay, the fifth question, okay, for parallelogram, and then the fifth problem set 5, the 11th and the 12th sum. So all these sums are given over here. Please try them, okay. In case of parallelogram and rectangle, okay, for both, okay, properties are very similar. Suppose this is a rectangle. If you're trying for a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal and diagonals will be congruent. Similarly, for a parallelogram also, that is the same thing. Opposite sides are equal, okay, and diagonals are congruent, okay. They are also same for both. So try solving these sums. If you have any doubt, let me know and I will solve it for you. Thank you. Bye.